So how do you register for MyMathLab? Well, things in the software world change frequently, and our MyMathLab material is linked to our Canvas course. So when you register for MyMathLab, you must get into Canvas first. You must get into Canvas first. If you try something else, even if you call MyMathLab people, tech support, you're going to go down a trail that leads to nowhere. So get into our section 4010 and 4011 Canvas shell first. And if you do that, most of the rest of it follows pretty well. The next thing is to choose MyLab and Mastering. And then you would click on this, open MyLab and Mastering. And usually when you click on it, it takes you right to where you want to go, and you can get in there and do software problems and get help and all this kind of stuff. But the very first time it lets you register. Now this is not my first time. So what I'm going to do now is flip over to a place where I've pretended like it's my first time. This is kind of what you will see, and you can pay with a credit card or PayPal. It's about $105. It gets you the access code. It also has an electronic copy of the textbook right in the software. It is the cheapest way I know of purchasing this software. If you want to, you can go to our school bookstore, and they have a variety of different options, but whichever option you choose, you must get the MyMathLab software access code and put it in here. If you entered Canvas first and then do this, your chances of being successful are really, really good. If you do it some other way, who knows? They recommend once you registered that you get out of Canvas and then come right back in. This is the first time. That fixes some problems that happen. If this doesn't work for you for whatever reason, then you're going to need to use the contact information down here where it says MyMathLab registration information PDF. You're going to have to use that contact information and get a hold of MyMathLab, and they will help you. It usually takes me 2 or 3 days to actually resolve an issue, but they do follow through and they do help you. And the sooner you get that handled, the better. You'll notice there was an option of a 14-day free trial, and it's down here, get temporary access without payment for 14 days. That works, it's fine, it's totally useful if your finances are in a little bit of flux, but notice, don't wait till the 14th day to then buy it. Plan on buying it around day 7 or 8 to give yourself plenty of time, just in case something goes wrong.